In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off speed on Life 360. To begin, you will need to open the Life 360 app on your Android device. This is usually done by locating the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you tap on the icon, the app will load, displaying your current location and the map interface. It's essential to ensure that the app is up to date to access the latest features and settings. This step matters because a well-functioning app will help you navigate the settings more smoothly. If you see your map and location details, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Once the app is open, look for the settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon, often found in the upper corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to access various settings related to your account and preferences. This section is crucial because it allows you to customize how Life 360 operates, particularly regarding privacy and location sharing. After tapping the gear icon, you will be directed to a new screen filled with options. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these choices as you will be adjusting several settings shortly. Now your next action is to find and tap on the Privacy Center option. In the Settings menu, you will see several categories, and Privacy Center is where you can manage your location privacy settings. This step is important as it is the hub for adjusting how much of your information is shared and what features are active. Once you find it, tap on Privacy Center, and you will be taken to a new screen that focuses specifically on privacy-related features. This is where you will make your crucial adjustments. From there, look for the Trusted Partners section. This area allows you to manage connections with external services that Life 360 may use. It's essential to understand that these partnerships can affect how your data is shared. After locating Trusted Partners, tap on it to proceed. Here, you will find additional options regarding external connections that impact your driving features. This section is significant because it directly ties into how Life 360 interacts with other services, including speed tracking and drive detection. Next up, you will see an option for Arity. Arity is the service that Life 360 uses for driving-related features, including speed tracking. To disable speed tracking, tap on Arity, which will lead you to a new screen where you can disable the connection. This step is crucial because it directly impacts your speed tracking and driving reports. By disconnecting from Arity, you will effectively turn off features associated with speed detection. After tapping on Arity, you will want to find the option that says Connect to Arity. This will be a toggle switch that you can turn off. Make sure to tap it so that it changes state, indicating that it is now off. This action is vital because it disables not only speed tracking but also driving reports and crash detection features associated with Life 360. Once you toggle the switch, you should see a confirmation or indication that the setting has been changed. Now that you have completed these actions, you have successfully turned off speed tracking on Life 360. This makes sure your preferences are updated and that you can enjoy the app without the pressure of speed monitoring. Remember, while you have disabled speed features, your location sharing remains active so you can stay connected with your trusted circles. Thank you for following along. Enjoy using Life 360 with these new settings.